Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer you. This morning I had to pop down to the post office just down the road from me, and while I was standing in the socially distanced queue outside, I got chatting to an elderly lady who was in the queue in front of me, and she was very entertaining, very friendly. We had a good chat, and after a couple of minutes she started telling me her theories about COVID-19. As you might imagine, her theories were basically a kind of regurgitation of a lot of the conspiracy theories that have been doing the rounds this year. It was created in a laboratory, it's being transmitted via 5G, it's being sent to control us all and keep us in our places. Now, probably like many of you, I've had quite enough of these kind of conversations for 1 year, and I didn't want to upset her, so I said very politely, "Right, well, I have to say that's not a view I have much sympathy with." If you say that you don't have much sympathy with a view or an opinion, you mean that you don't agree with it, you don't support it. In the same way, if somebody says something that you do agree with, for example, well, when you're in power, you inevitably end up getting corrupted by being in power. Power corrupts, and absolute power corrupts absolutely. Yeah, I hear you. I know what you mean. I've always had a lot of sympathy with that point of view. If you've enjoyed this, please click the like button below, share it with your friends, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about points of view that you don't have much sympathy with, or that you've always had a lot of sympathy with.